Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. I've been doing this same routine since summer using the exact same products, and I've got it down to a fine art. I can do this in maximum 10 minutes. I've done all of the steps today, but sometimes I will skip steps depending on how much time I have, but I've realised that I value sleep and breakfast more than I do my makeup. So I've got this really quick routine that I've been doing every single day and I really wanted to show it to you. So I really hope you enjoy, so please keep on watching. I start off my everyday makeup routine by mixing 2 shades from the collection Lasting Perfection. I apply this over any dark circles or any redness on my face and blend this out using a foundation brush. Any products that I use I will link down below so you know exactly what I'm using. I then set my concealer using my favourite powder, Rimmel Stay Matte. Then, using a small concealer brush, I apply L'Oreal True Match The Minerals Powder Foundation over any areas which I still feel need a little bit of extra coverage. I then blend that together using my foundation brush. I then go in with my new favourite bronze and blush duo, e.l.f. St. Lucia. I've been loving this product because it's really convenient for every day because you've got 2 shades in one, and also the colours are very subtle and quite natural, so it's perfect for every day. Then, using a small brush, I take my favourite highlight, Becca Opal, and I apply this on the high points of my face. I use this highlight every day because it's very subtle and natural, and the pinky champagne shade matches really nicely with my skin. You can, however, build this up for a more glam highlight. Using the same brush, I also like to take my highlight over my eyelid, inner corner and my brow bone, because this saves me time applying any eyeshadow in the mornings. I then like to spritz the Body Shop Mandarin Energising Facial Mist all over, which helps to blend my makeup into my skin. I don't tend to fill in my brows every single day, so I normally just brush through them. Then I curl my lashes and pick between 2 of my favourite mascaras. I use either the Collection Fat Lash Mascara or the Natural Collection Waterproof. Finally, I pick a colour from the Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss range. Today I chose Mocktail Hour. And that's my super quick everyday makeup routine.